Forum post creation on Newsepick. Want to start a meaningful discussion in your school community? Let's create a new forum post. Go to Community on your dashboard. Click on Post something new. Now select Forum as your post type. Add a title that grabs attention. Write a description to explain what the discussion is about. You can also add images or links to make your post more engaging. Next, choose who can participate by selecting the participant type, global, institute, or specific individuals. Set the visibility, keep it global open for all, or private to institute. Select the community and topic that your post belongs to. Once everything looks good, click Continue to publish. Your forum post is live, ready to spark new ideas and conversations.